In this video tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to bulk import your inventory and listings from your seller centers. Let's get started. First, let's walk through how to bulk import inventory into OneCart. Navigate to OneCart Inventory and click Add Inventory, then select Bulk Upload. Click the Create from Platform drop-down menu at the top of the page. Select the shop if you wish to create the inventory from. If you manage multiple shops, use the search bar to quickly find the shop you're looking for. Once you confirm, OneCart will start fetching SKUs from the selected platform. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of your inventory. You'll receive an email once the import is completed. Once done, the new SKUs will appear in your inventory list. It will appear under the View Edit Single SKUs. Remember, only SKUs that don't already exist in OneCart will be created. Duplicates will be skipped. And there you have it, your inventory is now imported. If your platform doesn't have a seller SKU field, those items will be skipped. Also note that bundles will need to be recreated manually using OneCart Bundles Create process. Next, let's import your product listings. Follow these steps. Go to eCommerce listings and click Import Listings, then select View Imports. Click the Manually Import Now button. In this step, choose the shops you like to import listings from. Once selected, click Import Selected. OneCart will begin fetching all your listings from the selected platforms. The process is quick and your listings will be available in OneCart in no time. And that's it, your listings are now successfully imported and ready to manage within OneCart. You are able to view those listings by adjusting the filters like so. With OneCart, managing your inventory and listings has never been simpler. For more tips, tutorial, or troubleshooting, visit our help center or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.